sasabihin ko sa iyo. Dala ko lumaban lang yung walang water.
Oh, water.
That's true, man.
No! I'm not saying you're damn pig.
Nasama ko yung misis ko doon. Kaya dalawang magkasama.
I'm just joking, man.
More.
A
A little bit more. A little bit more. Whoop! Up! That's enough. Give me that. Thank you.
Sure?
I'm sure.
Kaya na, medyo konting hetik eh.
Hindi, sasama kami.
Aba, mas healthy yung misis ko.
Hindi naman. Hindi, mabait siya.
Yeah, mas healthy si misis.
Hindi, kasi nakita ko na siya, mga isang linggo lang, kasi
Ikaw
nasabi.
na?
Nagulat nga. Nasa siya.
Wala ko sa
Sa Francisco.
Okay, man.
Kasi, pananggal. Ikaw, gumala ka. Yung one ko, nagtrabaho pa.
Hello?
You know what? You are tourist, man. You have to enjoy your life, man.
Yeah.
You're a tourist.
That's foolish, man. Because foolish, you call man foolish.
No,
Because
that's
I'm
foolish.
not a big, I'm not.
You're not a foolish. You accept your all of all kind of you love your life again. Maybe next time. Because you know what? You experience not in actual life. Not today.
I come back yesterday.
Right? Because you are first time right here and you
But I'm
experience.
Yo!
But next time, when I came back in
Promise
USA,
me, bro.
I go get
All your kisses.
I'm a have a meal like my
different. Kasi first time mo, dito, trabaho ka, no? Baka magkita nga namin siya, dapat... Pero, first time yun, pero...
Porque viajero,
no, comprendo.
mucho dinero, mucho kilómetro.
Pero, once na bumalik ko ulit dito, alam mo na yung...
No, man. Just my...
What tribe? What tribe, man? What tribe?
Experience.
What tribe?
Mucho experiencia.
Mucho experiencia por the lady. Mucho bonita.
Bonita más.
Muy bonita.
Muy bien.
Pero,
Patayin to! Patayin to!
Alam mo nung bumiyahe ako, nung kinuha ko ni Kenneth ng biyahe, wala mo na akong kaba. Sabi ko nga sarili ko, kinabahan pa ako nung may nagwala na si Scar dito eh. Pero nung ako bumiyahe,
kasi once na legal, lahat ng papers mo. Puta, kahit saan magpunta, hindi ko makakamit, di ba? Kasi tourist ka. Hey! Fuck you, man! You more than... I'm tourist, right? Here's my papers. Fuck you!
pero pag may hundaman, fuck you, man! I'm a legal day. Fuck you, man! Look at my shoe! Okay, man? Okay? You see one like this one?
Nasa YouTube ka na bukas. Ayan na. Nasa YouTube ka na.
Ay, tarantado ka!
Wala ito.
Sabihin na nga,
Wala ito.
Tayo na